Now let's get to the final challenge, where questions are thrown open to both teams. The first one to press the buzzer earns the right to answer after the school has been identified. They will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. So teams, good luck to you. And let's start off with local affairs. It's a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person. Friendship, go ahead.
Noel R. Scott.
That is correct. Sports. For which NBA team in the USA does LeBron James play? Friendship?
Golden State Warriors.
Golden State Warriors.
Incorrect. It's the LA Lakers. Bible knowledge. Which animal made a sound after Peter denied Jesus? It's the rooster or the cock. Science. Complete this statement correctly. Work is done when a force moves an object over a... That is Savanna Lamar.
Distance.
Correct. English language. Form a noun from the word complete. That's friendship.
Completion.
Completion.
Correct. Music. Which reggae artiste was born Sicator Alcock? That's friendship.
Jacure.
Jacure.
Correct. General knowledge. The bite of which insect can result in someone contracting the dengue virus? Savanna Lamar?
Mosquito.
Correct. Television, it's a visual. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person. Savanna Lamar?
Boys.
Cameron Boys.
Correct. Mathematics. What is the mean of the following numbers? 142, 158, and 30. Bell beat you to it. The answer is 110. Social studies. Which storm system starting with the letter D in the 2019 Atlantic hurricane? That's friendship.
Hurricane Dorian.
That is correct. Television. What is the name of the Ninja Turtle that dons purple bandanas? That is friendship.
Donatello.
Donatello.
Correct. Sports. This is a visual. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies cricket captain. That's Sir Vivian Richards. Bible knowledge. In which of the Gospels is the story of the prodigal son? Friendship.
St. John.
St. John.
Is the story of the prodigal son told? It's St. Luke. Science. What is another name for the gullet in humans? Friendship.
Esophagus.
Esophagus.
Correct. English language. Form an adverb from recognize.
Recognition.
Friendship.
Recognizably.
Recognizably.
Incorrect. It's recognizably. Music. What is the name for a chord in which the notes are not all? That's Savanna Lamar.
Broken chord.
Broken chord.
Chords are not all played at once. Broken chord is correct, or arpeggio. General knowledge. Name 3 countries that are often referred to as the Nordic countries. Denmark, Norway, Finland, Iceland, or Sweden. Local affairs. Which former minister in charge of energy resigned from the Jamaican cabinet in 2018? Dr. Andrew Wheatley. Mathematics. What is the lowest common multiple of 4, 6, and 8? Savanna Lamar?
2.
Incorrect, it's 24. Social studies. What is the name for a long period of time? And we won't get to that question. And the bell signals the end of the match with Friendship on 25 and Savanna Lamar on 16.